Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your Wombo Dream account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well worry not, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to sign out. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is go to settings. At the top right, you will see a button like this that looks like a gear. Click on it right now. Else, if you do not find this, simply go to your profile at the bottom right, and from here at the very top right, you can see the gear-like icon once again. Click on it and then you will be redirected to the settings page. From here, you can look at your username, email address and everything. But right now, all we want to do is log out. At the bottom, you can see a button like this, that is Logout. Simply click on it, and guys, that is it. As soon as you click on it, you will be signed out of your Wombo Dream account. Well guys, that is it. That's how you sign out of Wombo Dream. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.